Good morning.
Welcome to PS10. Today we're gonna show you some tricks in SolidWorks, and I'm gonna take you to a course how you make templates or change them, change the settings.
Okay.
First of all, we're gonna watch which settings on your computer are standard. Options, yes. In options you can check the file locations. Yes. Yeah, in the middle.
Yeah.
Yes. And you can add some new templates. The new templates I give you the templates of PS10.
Yeah.
We're gonna take those templates and put them on your computer in the settings standard. Dus I don't know where you have to put it.
Desktop.
Maybe you can change the map to somewhere else in the future. Is this?
That's okay.
Yes. Add. I think. No. Normally you have to find the name of the templates. The name is, I think.
I have copy a map of the USB stick.
Yes, and
Change the name of that.
Yes.
Which one do we need? This one?
No. The right map you can make the changes. He asks you, would you like to change some settings, because these are the settings you are changing behind the screen.
Yeah.
The very important changes.
So I
yes.
may press yes. Okay. Okay.
Now the settings are done. We're gonna start a new part. File new part. You have to watch for the three tabs, the templates. Yes. Always take the right one. I'm going to show you why you have to do it, because the templates of SolidWorks, the standard, are not the same as the part I made. Yes, double click.
They are in inch, I think. The templates of SolidWorks.
Normally, when you install the program, you can choose.
You can choose
immediately, but afterwards they are always in millimeter, I think. There are two ways of make a drawing.
Yeah.
The first is you can draw by building up a model like you make it in real on the machine. The second way is to make a drawing as quick as possible. Yes, there are two different ways. Mostly we're gonna make the drawings as quick as possible, because the afterwards we have to go to the machine and do that. But for teaching students who don't know the machine, the ways to do it, the steps, it's the other way.
Okay.
First of all, we're gonna make two easy pieces. One a cylindrical and one cube.
Okay.
Yes. The first step with yes, you have already started a new part. We make a sketch. Always make a sketch. A cylinder. You can start on two ways. You can make. First of all, you have to choose a plane. Choose a plane on the most real form. Because when you choose a plane, top plane for example, it's always a top. When you make an assembly of it, it's always a top. You can change it afterwards, but you have to put time in it, and it's not always necessary. Maybe front plane.
Front plane.
Yes. You see the axis. That's the origin. The red mark is the origin of the area. It's important because when you put your model in the assembly, it's always that point. You know where it is. You can find it when you need it. Now it's no problem. You can make the drawing a circle like that. I always click after I sketch something. I always click this one, and you can. This an icon you can always find there. You can put it. Yes. You can also change it. When you do you want to change it to put it here? No,
no. It's when I know when I press the space button, it's no problem.
Okay.
Then
perfect.
It's no problem.
I said the origin is the most. Scroll out. Yes. The origin is the most important place to start with a sketch. Now we have put the circle above it. Now it's better you put it above, because when you put it above, you can afterwards say now it must be there.
Over there, yeah.
Yes, when you start here, it's always defined. You can't put it.
It's still possible to move the circle
two ways. You take the point of the center and no problem. Click and delete. No, take the circle.
Delete.
The middle. Take it. And escape. Yes, you have two hands. Yes, one hand on the mouse, one hand on the escape. Always.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And then I can
put it.
Drag it.
Okay. You see, it has a meta. The other way, I will show you. Wait 1 minute. You can also, and that's the second. It's the most easy way, because you are sure it will be good. You click on the center. You click on the origin with Control.
Yeah.
Yes, and then you can choose which mate you have, and then you're very sure it is the right one.
So
that's better.
That's the best.
Yes. Now you see the circle is blue. Blue will say it's not defined. When it's not defined, it's no problem. You can sketch, but after a while you have an assembly, and you scroll with the mouse. When you don't want it, it's another dimension. You can take a measurement on the diameter, for example, 50.
Okay.
As it changes on is blue, and you have black, and you have already a fully defined sketch. I told also my students, when you have no fully defined sketch, it's not finished. You may not make a future of it, because it's not finished.
It's too dangerous to have a damage after.
Yes. You can say yes, it's good one, and then maybe sometimes you after a few steps.
I can finish the sketch.
Yes. Okay. When you don't finish the sketch, now for example the diameter is not the right one, you can go back. You know how you go back?
I think so.
Yes.
Okay. In
the sketch.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. You can take the sketch now for now. Yes. Okay. When you are in the sketch and you say the sketch is done, we can make immediately a feature of it. You don't have to close out or close the sketch. Make a feature of it, and you have two ways to do it. Yes, features. One is the extrude base. You can extrude or revolve. Revolve is not when you revolve this one, you have a ball. Yes, and this is the extrude base. We now need
push extrude base.
Extrude base, and you can change measurements.
For example, 100.
Yes, that's the first way. Yes. Say yes. Done. Okay. This is one easy way to make a cylinder, but not my favorite one, because mostly we have a cylinder with a hole in it, with some lines. Different diameters on it. Yes. So we can put it on immediately in the sketch. Because afterwards we have to open one sketch to change everything, every diameter. Otherwise we have to search in the future manager. This is the future manager. So we're gonna start a new part, file view, and we do once the same, but on the other way. New part. Okay. Make a sketch. Now we have opened yet SolidWorks, so you don't ask the planes immediately, but after make a sketch.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start from a center line.
Yeah.
Center line and center line. Yes. He asks which plane? Front plane.
Okay.
No problem.
Center line.
Yes. Yes, it's a good one. You have to start the center line in through the central point of the space.
Maybe it's better to look.
Yes,
again
the front
to.
in the front of it. Yeah. Yes, but not start in the center, but go through it.
Oh, okay.
Because otherwise you always put a defining.
He puts
yes, a blue,
directly a mate on it.
Yes. Otherwise, when you and you can't change it because sometimes you need the central axis, but you can't get it because it's on the edge of another line.
Yeah. So I can press escape for now.
Yes. It's not necessarily blue. These 2 points are blue or black. It doesn't matter because a center line it seems like it is endlessly long.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This line we need to revolve when we the construction.
Yes. When we draw our model this way here, it's no problem. The center line is always in mind endlessly. So we take a line, we sketch a line, and make a cylinder this way.
And can I start now from zero?
Yes, you have to start there because you have to put it in the space on a specific point.
Okay, left or right?
Maybe we can make 2 diameters.
Yeah.
Yes. And click to the center line. No, okay, yes, good. Yes.
Okay.
Over there. Normally, I sorry, I
skipped. No problem.
Normally, I draw. Pull it. Yes. Over there. So I can always get it because when this one started here, I can't get it anymore. Now it's only we have to.
Now it's easy to select afterwards.
Yeah, afterwards also. Also in my assembly. Now we have to make measurements on it.
For example, over here.
No. Yeah, oh wait. This is a good one, no problem.
Yeah.
You can take it, but there are 2 ways to do it. When it was 22, okay. When we want this, for example, to some diameter, because normally the drawings are the measurements of a cylinder are diameters, not radius.
Yeah.
Yes. You can delete this one.
Yeah. Delete over here.
Yes. Smart dimension. Yeah, it's active. You take the line, take the axis, and go over it. So that's the diameter.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
When you want another, you can put it there. Yes. I want to say is it's possible when you want you have a measurement in your head, a measurement who has become the result of a different calculation. You can put it here already. For example, you want 40, yes, 80
divide by 2. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
You put enter and it's 40.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. He already.
And it's best to when this diameter is the same of this one.
It's better
to put mates on it.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know how
because otherwise you must to change diameters.
2 diameters. Yes. You know how to do it.
I think so, but maybe it's best to. So when I.
No. Yes.
Now we are still in.
That's why you will need a second hand.
Voilà.
Yes, okay.
And when
perfect.
I put over here.
Maybe you can collinear is on the same line. Equal is the same length.
Right. So
yes.
I must say collinear.
Okay. Now you see this point is not already made on the line. You can put it there.
Yes.
take it. Yes. Okay.
Right.
Perfect. Some few small dimensions.
So, but now my drawing is not still fully defined because this measure.
No, you can always put it, take it, and watch, so you can really see what's
the problem. Yeah.
Yes.
So I must
take the line. Yes.
And over there.
And the diameter better.
And the diameter better. So, for example, 20.
Yes.
And then these and these are black, but these three not.
Yes.
So
you also escape and pull it when you don't. The
is still in mention.
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
The origin is the point where it cannot move.
Cannot move. So I can put, for example, over here.
Yes. Yes. At the first start, it's a good one. At the first start, you started with take this point and take the line.
Yeah.
Yes. It's not good. Why it's not good? Because you are not sure the line is horizontal.
Horizontal.
And when you make this measurement, you can make a corner.
Rotate that.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. So it's good. Fully defined not for now, but it's good one. You can make a future of it. You will see with the revolve base. It will,
sketch is currently open.
Oh, no problem. Currently open. It
Yes.
means
Voilà.
you can
Okay.
close it. Okay.
Can I press
Yes.
the green one? Okay. Yep.
Now, what's the specialty from this template? You can file properties, and I started to put some especially properties, values. You can change.
Student.
Maybe you just take two of them. For example, your name on name student, and maybe the title, the name of the project. Yes, in capitals. In capitals. Yes. The test. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
And now we're going to
make a drawing.
A drawing.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
First, save this, because when you don't save it, you can't make the link of the two parts.
So I can use save as.
Save as, yes, no problem.
I'm going to put it on my desktop, and I'm going to use